Hello and welcome to the Peej's workshop. Today I'm going to be improving aesthetically my favored Penzi F7s. I'm going to put some windows in those holes using a Tic Tac box, which I think is a good idea. Doing what I can with what I got. And here you see I've cut up a piece to fit into the front windshield. It's an odd square shape there, so I took some slicing and dicing, but yeah, I think I got them to fit pretty well. I like the way it looks. Okay, now I'm going to be cutting up pieces for the side windows. On the engineer's side, I'm going to leave a hole there as if the window's open. Maybe he's getting a nice breeze or having a smoke, whatever. I know they don't smoke anymore, but my railroad, my engineers smoke. This plastic is nice. It's bendy, you know, you kind of shape it the way you want, but it's also pretty soft, so you gotta cut at it a bit. That and the X-Acto knife isn't the sharpest in the world either, but it gets the job done. Again, doing what I can with what I got. Now you just snap it off a little. There it is. Clean the marker marks off. Here I just put a little tiny glue on it just to see if it fit well and to move it around, get it where I want. It looks good to me. I'm gonna add a bead of glue across the bottom there just to hold it in place permanently. It's plastic cement. Wanted to glue that. I could potentially get all of this off if I find a better material to make the glass. Now for the other side, that's that window's closed, so this is a much easier way to put it in. I just add a couple of beads of glue on the corners there. Don't need much. A little dab will do ya. You keep it, press it down for a few seconds, and boom, Bob's your uncle. There it is. Okay, so the windshield's in, side windows are in. That worked out pretty well. Now I'm going to place some scraps of the Tic Tac box to be the windows for the portholes on the side of the locomotive here. This is the easiest bit of the bunch. Just got to get it fit right, make sure it covers the whole hole. Again, a little dab will do you on each corner, holds it right in place. It won't be going anywhere anytime soon. There you go. That's the last one. Doesn't have to look pretty as long as it looks good out on this side. It doesn't seem like much, but when you add just something like that to your locomotive, it really makes it pop. To me, it looks vastly improved. Really like how it turned out. Just using that stuff. Look at that. Huh. And ta-da! So of course I went on and did the same thing with the portholes with the B unit. And again, it looks great. Thanks for watching this episode of the Peej's Workshop. That's all from me for now. See ya!